Here's a quick run through of the upgrading process from your current version of WordPress to the newest, latest, and greatest version, that is WordPress 3.0. This is not just a minor upgrade from one security patch to another. This is a new version of WordPress. So there's a couple of steps you may want to take care of, just to ensure that the upgrade process is a smooth one. Now, as you can see, I've already upgraded to WordPress 3.0, and we've covered the basic steps of upgrading in a prior video, so I don't want to bore you with all the mundane steps. Just a couple of points I want to cover with you, and that is that one, you want to do a backup. But before you do a backup, make sure that all your stuff is up to date. So you go into your plugins, and if any upgrades or updates are available for your plugins, go ahead and update them now. And also, you want to go to your default theme. So if you've got a bunch of themes, maybe one theme that's your favorite and it's not the Kubrick default theme, well, go to the default theme. That way, if the installation is smooth and perfect and everything works out great, then if you transfer to your favorite theme after the upgrade process is taken care of and you encounter problems, well, at that point you know that everything is working perfectly. There's just a problem with your theme. That way you only have one issue to deal with, and that is the upgrade of your theme, which, by the way, is pretty simple in most cases. If there is an upgrade to your theme, it'll be shown to you up here in the dashboard. Matter of fact, if we open up the dashboard here, you can see that there's updates now, and these are for themes, not for plugins. So again, that's something that you want to do. Just a minor little step, but upgrade your plugins, go to the default theme, and do a backup, both database and your files. Now then you're ready to do the simple upgrade process from your current WordPress version to the newest, and that is 3.0. And just like it says here, there's as of the recording of this video, a newer version that is 3.0.1, which is just a couple of minor little security glitches that were added, some bugs that were fixed. So we can take care of that very quick by going to the dashboard, updates, and you can update automatically here. And as you can see right here, this is just saying that there's a theme. Actually, this is the new default theme here at 2010. There's an upgrade to this, but rather than doing this and this, if you just upgrade to the latest version, that will take care of this all in one full swoop. So we'll just update automatically to the latest version, 3.01. And there we are. So you can see now everything is updated. Now then, just a quick nickel tour of the place. Most everything in here is pretty much the same. The post pretty well the same. The media is pretty well the same. Now there are some additional minor functionality changes, but we'll cover those in upcoming videos. The main thing I wanted to point out, though, as far as the changes, and that would be under appearance, whereas before we just had themes, widgets, and editor, and in some cases header, but now we have menus and background. Now, not all themes are going to support this, but I'll cover this in an upcoming video on how you can make them support this. And what this is just a way in which you can more customize the look of your blog's theme by changing the background, colors, images, what have you. Menus also, fodder for another video, but this is an additional cool change or addition to the latest version of WordPress, and again, we'll cover that in an upcoming video. Now, plugins, basically the same thing. Users, basically the same thing. We'll cover this also in an upcoming video where we can add multiple sites to this one installation. And actually, with a little tweaking, and I'll cover this later, you can actually have multiple domains under the one installation. Pretty cool stuff, but again, we'll cover that later. Now under tools, right now there's nothing additional, but whenever you get into the installation or the configuration of the multi-site portion of WordPress, you'll see something else pop up down here for networking. And under settings, pretty much the same old, and again, there are just some minor differences in here because of the upgrade process, but we'll cover those again in a later video. And that's basically it. That's the nickel tour of the WordPress 3.0, and I want to thank you very much for watching this video, and some of the cool stuff is going to be coming up in upcoming videos, so if we really dive into some of the additional features of WordPress 3.0. Thank you again for watching, and you have a great day.